Okay, so this little project is about care bots for older persons. So here's just a quick picture of what we're talking about on a care bot. It's a little robot that's going to help someone around the house or wherever they're at, even if it's in a healthcare facility, on making life a little bit easier for them because something has made it difficult. And we're given this project to remix, where you're supposed to retrieve items that the elderly is looking for. I've taken that to a little different step as to if you wanted to truly try to give a good example of how a care bot can work. That's what I've done. So it's still a work in progress. I've got some little glitches, but what I've done is I've got Grandpa and I've got Joy. We do have the book. You can see kind of down here. I've got some other things I've created. You might say I've got two Grandpas here and two Joys because I've created shadow ones. I've used a lot of broadcast messages. So this is actually Abby with a couple of hers, but Grandpa has a majority of the broadcast messages because I'm wanting the program to talk to each other. I mean, one sprite, the programming to talk to the other programs for the sprites back here, since I'm not actually programming a robot at the moment. So let me show you a little bit of what happens. So you have your person and the
Where is my
robot.
book? Hello, John. I will find your book. I have found your book.
I've got it designed to where you can actually show someone this is how they would bring you
Here is your book, John.
something you would need.
Thank you, Joy. Joy, will you answer the door? Yes, John. I will answer the door.
I think this is something that would be important to show when you're talking about having a care bot with someone living with someone alone. You would want to show the consumers that you would program a care bot to recognize voices so they'd have some speech recognition, text recognition by what name you're giving, so they won't just open the door to anybody that's there. So help prevent any potential dangers.
Hello. Who is it?
Hi, Joy, it's Abby. I came to see Grandpa and take him to lunch. Will you open the door?
Abby. Yes, please come in. John is very excited about your lunch plans. He's waiting for you now. Please come with me.
Then I've programmed it so you can bring the character to the individual.
Grandpa, it's great to see you. Are you ready to go?
It's
Grandpa,
so good to see you, Abby.
it's great to see you.
I'm ready.
Are you ready to go?
Joy, keep the house secure.
Grandpa,
It's so good to see you, Abby.
It's great
So
to see
you
you.
can see
I'm
I've got a
ready.
little bit of a
Are
bug
you
in the
ready to
program
go?
here.
Keep the house secure.
Um,
It's so
Grandpa,
good to
getting
see
it
you,
worked
Abby.
It's
out.
great to see you.
I'm ready.
Are you ready to go?
I'll
Joy,
do
keep
this.
the house secure. Where is my book? Later.
Goodness. Okay, so we got a lot going on there. So I'm still working out on how I'm going to have some things when she's touching Grandpa, and I've actually got it to Grandpa's shadow. So what I need to do is put in a stop the script right here so I can get that. Otherwise, she's going to keep repeating herself, which she's going to keep sending this broadcast message that we don't want to have. So that's just one way students can use this new AI blocks in Creative Code. So we would be this. These are the blocks we are using right now. Just the speech block, so that way our characters can speak to each other. But I really think this is would be a wonderful way for students to display um, how a care bot can take care of someone that needs help.